Good morning, guys. I just finished filming and editing for my main channel. Still can't believe it went like a breeze. Absolutely fabulous. I literally don't know what to do with my time. I have been kind of puttering around the house. I don't even remember honestly what I've done. I did change into a slightly different outfit from what I filmed in. I just had this on, but then I decided to double layer it because it is kind of chilly today and it's supposed to get even colder tomorrow, and I ran out of fire starter logs. So I'm gonna have to go to Walmart, I think at some point today, and go get some because I know I'm gonna want to have the fireplace going probably all of today and tomorrow. Now today I think I'm good because the one that I used obviously caught really well, and then all I'll have to do is just keep adding the wood to it and it should stay going. But tomorrow, different story. It's a rainy day. I actually considered going out to look for some decor pieces that I have like on my list for the vision of this room. But whenever it rains, I'm not a fan of really driving in that, and I don't know. Sometimes I do go out, sometimes I don't. I did make my bed today, which I didn't yesterday, but I also made it because this was my backdrop. So I got that done, and my daughter got up early this morning to go get her hair done. She's on her way home right now, and I'm just like waiting to see because I know she wanted to do like a pretty drastic change. Obviously, like, it's her hair, and when she was a little bit younger, like a few years ago, I was just very like adamant about like yes or no to her hair. And now, we both grow. Like, I've said this a time or two, but yes, I'm a mom, but I feel like, I don't know how to describe this, but I feel like you become a new mom in each like year, because it's not the same thing parenting a 20-year-old as it is a 3-year-old, so I'm growing too. She's my only child. I had her very young. And so I'm at the point now where I'm like, you know what? You did this. You did your hair. You've ruined it. You've had great hairstyles. Like, it's time for her to experience that too. So I have been finding myself in this last year or two really letting her actually fly, if you will. I mean, obviously she's always had like her own choices, as she got older, but there were things that I kind of like put my foot down about, but now I'm just like, okay, go figure it out. She wanted to get bangs, and I'm just like, all right. She wanted to darken her hair, and I'm like, all right. So I don't know, we'll see. I don't have any idea if like she'll want to be on camera or not, but so I decided to go jogging, which is probably nuts because it's rainy and cold, but sometimes I just get this like overwhelming urge and I'm gonna go with it. But I think I'm gonna make it like pretty, like a fast one. I think I'm just gonna do a mile. Here's the outfit. I've just got on 2 layers. I do have like a black top under here, and then this gray sweatshirt, my puffy vest to keep me warm. I feel like I need something else for my throat, but anyways, gonna throw on my Nikes. I'm gonna head off and do this really quickly because it's gonna get dark in like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna listen to some good music and I'll be back. Turns out that's a bad idea. I did get my 1 mile in, but I had to haul to do it, which not good because I definitely am cold air induced asthma, and it was hurting for a minute. Honestly thought I was gonna have to like turn around and go back, and the rain felt like ice hitting me. Like my legs feel like a popsicle. So I'm gonna warm up, change clothes, well, take a shower, change clothes, and just kind of try to stay warm for a minute because I don't need to be sick. I've done pretty well, honestly, this whole year, so that was probably a really bad idea for me specifically. I've been doing quite a bit off camera, but also on camera. I've been filming for some of the changes that I've made for the living room, but I'm not going to reveal them here because I want the reveal of this to happen all in that video, which will be on my main channel, which hopefully will be next week. That's really dependent on if I find a couple of extra little things. So I'm just gonna like mosey on this way. But I will show you what's going on in this corner. So I bought this plant from the at-home store, and what's funny is that I had a plant on my list and a wicker basket on my list so that I could put the plant in it, and then I found this combination together, so I went ahead and picked it up. Now it's not going to sit on the floor. I'm actually looking for some sort of farmhousey type piece for this to sit on. I'm thinking like an old school wooden stool. So I have yet to find that. So I'm going to visit a couple of other stores in the next several days. It's New Year's Eve right now, so and it's also raining. Let me show you guys the weather. It's just very cold, very rainy. Yeah, it has been raining the entire day, and if it was a few degrees colder, this would be snow, and we would have inches of snow. So unfortunately we missed it. I think Oklahoma got it, so, but we did not in North Texas. But it's really cold. You can see I'm like running out of wood, so I'll probably have to place another order, and haven't even hit January, let alone February, which is super cold for us. The rest of the place is kind of looking pretty random. That's actually trash, but my trash bin is full, and then my trash cans were full, which just got put out recently, so I need to go ahead and put those in the trash can. But yeah, the house is just kind of like in this transitional state, you know, from when I removed everything from a Christmas perspective. I'm gonna stop the talking portion of this vlog, and maybe the next clips are me doing something entertaining, which is probably cleaning.
That's what Billy saw us. He said they gave him.
But you sold it and you pocketed the money.
On Monday. I think you're.
I'm gonna get loose.
If we're gonna keep him tied up for 3 or 4 days, we've got to.